Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here. In today's video, I will show you, I am about to open your eyes to the latest stuff happening in crypto arbitrage right now. Like the latest stuff happening in crypto arbitrage right now. Guys, you must watch this video to the end. I guarantee you that this section is so super packed that you don't want to miss even a second of this video. First of all, what is arbitrage trading? Arbitrage trading is the buying of an asset and selling it at a higher price in a different market. Now, what is cryptocurrency arbitrage? Cryptocurrency arbitrage is profiting from simultaneously buying a cryptocurrency from an exchange and selling it on a different one with a slightly higher price. Crypto arbitrage trading is a great option for investors looking to make high frequency trades with low risk. Now, if you check the price column in the Bitcoin market, I'm going to show you 4 Bitcoin markets right now. Please don't skip any part of this video. You are going to notice the slight differences between these prices on these different exchanges. You are going to spot out the arbitrage opportunities there. Guys, in fact, this section is so super packed that you don't want to miss even a second. But just in case you don't know, my name is Richard and I want to welcome you to our channel. If you are my returning subscriber, I love you so much. You are the reason I keep doing this video. But if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. You can see this red stuff here. In your own case, it should be red because you have not subscribed. Please click on it, then come to this bell notification. Click on the bell notification and select all so that you will be the first person to know each time I drop any video on crypto arbitrage, dollar arbitrage, or how to make money both online and offline. Then please do me a favor, just click on this like, please. It will help YouTube to recommend these videos to others so that together we can be able to conquer financially. So without wasting any of your time, let us go back to my video. Now, I want you to carefully watch the prices of Bitcoin in all the exchanges I'm going to show you. You are going to spot out crypto arbitrage opportunities. Then I will open up your eyes and show you something. Now look, this is Binance. If you just watch, the price of it keeps fluctuating, but you just have to observe. I'm going to go through this market list like 3 different times. Just be very observant. You are going to see crypto arbitrage opportunities before I tell you what I want to tell you. Now watch. Just keep watching what's happening here. Can you see what's happening here? It happens so fast. This 222, 221, 2228. Guys, can you see what is happening? 228, 229. So guys, it keeps fluctuating. So now, the ability to be successful in crypto arbitrage is the possibility to be able to buy this Bitcoin from maybe Binance and sell it in another platform immediately with a speed of light. So now I am going to open your eyes. Now watch very carefully. One of you guys wrote me on my email and showed me a current exchanger whereas when you go to a place like Binance, they are selling for 20,200. That if you go to that exchanger, they will be selling for 22,000. So now he tried to show me that the arbitrage opportunity here now is we buy from here 20,229 for 1 BTC. Then we quickly go to that platform and sell at 22,200, and we make about 2,000 immediately, like with the speed of light. So guys, let us quickly go to that platform and see for ourselves. Please watch this video to the end. Don't just look at the website and just run away. Please, I beg you, watch this video to the end. Now let us look at the prices again. This is the price of Bitcoin in Binance. This is the price of Bitcoin in KuCoin. Now this is the price of Bitcoin in Huobi. Now look guys, this is the price of Bitcoin in this particular exchanger, 22,266. That means if you buy 1 BTC in any of the exchanges I showed you before, you can be able to come here and sell it and make a whole $2,000+ for 1 BTC. So guys, immediately I heard about this, I went to do my research as always, because I want to be the first person to bring this information to you guys. So without wasting any of your time, I went to search about the credibility of these exchanges. And after searching the whole internet, I was not able to find any review. But luckily for me, I found 3 reviews, and I'm going to show it to you guys. When I went to scamadvisor.com, look at the positive highlights of this platform and look at the negative highlights of this platform. It says the website has received positive reviews, and I'm going to show you those positive reviews now. Now come with me. I told you I saw 3 reviews. The positive reviews he's talking about are contained in the two other research I did about this stuff. I'll watch. Look at the reviews here. This is Trustpilot. I was able to find 3 reviews, just two reviews. 3 days ago, one said my experience with it was great. Another said they are providing really good quality. Now, I was still searching. I saw this website, uk.trustpilot.com. Now, I also saw some reviews. Wonderful, I recommend. Worked with projects many times and everything was okay. I trust this company because they have proven their reliability with their work. One of the best projects I really recommend. Just hold on guys. Mahmoud Hazan. Okay, this is different name. One of the best projects I really recommend is so much. Very nice, good, I recommend. Date of very nice. This is the review. This is the positive review that this is talking about. The website has received positive reviews. These reviews came from these 2 websites I showed you. The XSL certificate is valid. That means they had a HTTPS. The website is safe according to. This website does not contain phishing or malware according to. Now look at the negative highlights. The owner of this website is using a service to hide their identity. According to Tranco, this site has a low Alexa rank. The registrar has a high percentage of spammers and fraud sites. The registrar has a high percentage of spammers and fraud sites. This website may contain high-risk cryptocurrency services. This webshop offers anonymous payment methods. This website is very young and has a high suspicion, high number of reviews. This website is very young and has a high number of reviews. Talking about these reviews I showed you here. Then this website is very young. Now let me show you again. This website was registered on 28th of just last month, 2022. As of the time of making this video, this website is just 2 days old, and they just bought a 1-year license. That means by this time 2023, this website must have elapsed. A company, a financial company, just buy a 1-year license Oh my people, now it was updated on 1st of 1st. I don't know what it is. This is, guys, I don't understand what this is, guys. So as you can see, this website was just registered 2 days ago and has a validity of just 1 year, and this website has a very bad review on Scam Advisor, making $2,000 in just one trade by doing crypto arbitrage in one BTC. Just because I love you guys, I'm going to tell you the truth. I am not going to do this crypto arbitrage. I'm not going to put my money in here, and I will not allow anybody I love to put his money here. Now it's up to you to do whatever you want to do with your money, but I'm not going to advise you to put your money here, because if you put your money here, your money might just be gone, because they said you should buy on Binance, then you will not send the money to their platform. My guys, please, I'm not going to do this. This is my honest and my complete review. Just in case you have not liked this video yet, please like it so that other people can see this video too. And if you are a new subscriber and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and see you again in my next video.